Yo guys, what's up? I'm back with the brand new video. This is the third one of the fireworks. Literally, like, are they done, Mom? But Mom, you can barely even see them. What is that in the sky? Yo guys, I'm sorry about that glitch. I think they're lighting up bombs. Actually, never mind. What? Oh, guys! Sorry if you can't hear me, but the fireworks are pretty loud. If you can't hear me, I'm sorry, guys. Because the fireworks are pretty loud. But you know the pain I'm going through, guys? I've been recording for like 30 minutes. Bro, my right arm, if you don't know if I'm a lefty or righty, I'm a righty. And my right arm hurts so bad from being in the air. Where are there gonna be more fireworks? Oh, fireworks. Boom, boom. Ah. Yo guys, literally, I did that in one of my videos. I showed his face when he didn't want me to, so like and subscribe for that. And comment down below if I should do it again, which I probably won't, because he got really mad. He got to pure it off. So, he got, well, actually, I don't owe you any. Here, you want my face in one of your videos? I don't even care. Hello, guys. No. If I do something to you, then you have to do it back. Hey, Mom, are the fireworks done? Yo, guys, I think they're done, okay? Peace out. I will be back with another video, okay? Goodbye. Peace out, guys.